Hello everyone and welcome back to my class. So today in this video I will cover class 7 maths chapter number 12. Okay. So chapter name is Algebraic Expression. So first exercise will be exercise 12.1. Okay, Algebraic Expression. Now algebraic expression means what? I will say you briefly about algebraic expression. So basically algebraic expression means the expression, some expression. Suppose I will write some expression. This is 2x is expression, isn't it? Means algebraic expression means our form of variable and constant. Okay, variable and constants. Now this is one expression, isn't it? 2x plus 2 is one expression. Now here you can see some constant and variable. So 2 is constant, 2 is constant, and this is x is what? Variable. Okay, this x is called what? Variable. Okay, this is called algebraic expression where in some expression where we can see some alphabets. Okay, some alphabets and there will be, we will use what here? Addition, and here we can use multiplication, division. Okay, we can use all this to form an expression. Okay, this is the example. What is the example I have given is 2x plus 2. So this is what? One algebraic expression. If I will write 2 plus 2, then this is not algebraic expression, means there should be somewhat variable also. Okay, which will contain variable also. Variable will be there, that alphabet. Okay, x, y, z. So we can use any variable. Now come to the first question of this exercise. So first question of this exercise is get the algebraic expression in the following case. Use variable, constant, and arithmetic means. Okay, we have to use variable, constant, and what? Arithmetic means. Okay, so the first one is what? The first one is subtraction of z from y. Subtraction of what? Z from y. Means subtract means we know what? Minus, isn't it? Subtraction means minus, and subtraction of z we have to subtract from where? We have to subtract from y. That means x minus z. Okay, x minus z. So this is the expression. This is the algebraic expression of the first statement. Okay, so here statement is given and we have to convert it into what? We have to convert it into a algebraic expression where you have to use variables and constant. Now here there is no constant but variable is there, isn't it? How many variables? Two variables, y and z variable. Now second one, 1/2 we know, isn't it? What is 1/2? This is for question number 2. 1/2, we know 1/2, isn't it? Means this is 1/2. 1/2 of the sum of the number, 1/2 of the sum of the number whose sum? X and y. Means sum means what? Plus, isn't it? So x and y plus, and sum of this half. Okay, x and y we will plus, then we have to half this variable. Okay, so this is the expression of the second. Okay, here it is said what? Half of the sum of the number x and y. So sum of the number x and y is what? This one, isn't it? And half means we have to half this. Okay, after plussing x and y, then we have to do half. Now the third one. Now third one is given the number z. Okay, there is a number z. Okay, this is what? Question number 3. The number z multiply by itself. Means this number z is multiply by itself. Means it is multiplying by itself. If it is z, then z is multiplying itself, means z itself. So z into z will be equal to what? Z square. Okay, z into z is equal to z square. Z to the power 2. Okay, this is the answer for 3 question. Now 4 one is given 1/4 of the product of number p and q. Now 1/4 means what? We know 1/4 means 1/4. Okay, 1/4 of the product of what? Number p and q. So product means just you have to write what? pq. Okay, so 1/4 multiply with pq. 1/4 multiply with pq. So if you will multiply this 1/4 multiply with pq, 1 into pq is equal to how much? 1 into pq is equal to pq and pq upon 4. Okay, you can write in this way, or if you will keep here in this also, then also your answer is right. Okay, 1/4 of product of whom? Product of p and q. So p and q get product means what? If I'm writing p and q only, there is no sign, isn't it? There is no addition, multiplication, division. That means we have to consider that at what? Multiplication. Okay, that we have to consider as product. Now p and q, they are multiplying each other. So this is the answer for question number 4. Now question number 5. Numbers x and y both square and added. What is written here? Number x and y, isn't it? Number x and y, this is for answer number 5, isn't it? Number x and y both square, okay, both are squaring like this, both are squaring like this, and added means add means what? Plus, isn't it? That means x square plus y square, okay, x square plus y square. You have to read the statement very carefully. Numbers x and y both square, so x is also square and y is also square, and added, and we have to do what? Plus, okay. Now remaining this 3 question is your homework, okay. Remaining this 3 question will be your homework, okay. For your concern, I will solve question number 6 also. 6 is given what? Number 5 added to 3 times. Number 5, okay. What is adding here? Number 5 is added to 3 times, and time means what? Multiply, okay. 3 times the product of m and n. Product of m and n. M and n means product means m and you will write directly, and 3 times means it is multiplying with again 3, okay. So 5 plus 3 mn, 5 plus 3 mn. So time means again multiply, and product is also multiply. 3 times means 3 multiply with the number, with which number? With the product of m and n. That means 3 m and n. Mn will be your answer. Now question number 7 and 8 is your homework, okay. Question number 7 and 8 will be your homework, okay. Edit out, you can ask me or you can comment below in the video video. Now come to the next question. Question number 2, identify the terms, okay. We have to identify the terms and their factor in the following expression. Show the terms and factor by 3 diagram, okay. By what diagram? By 3 diagram. And we know how to do factor 3, isn't it? Number factor 3 we have done. Suppose for example, I will draw the factor 3 of 16. Then how we have to do? We have to do in this way, isn't it? We do this way, isn't it? We have already learned in our previous classes. In class 6 we have learned how to make factor 3. Now here we will make a factor 3 of what? Factor 3 of algebraic expression. Now here algebraic expression will be there, okay. Let me rough this. Now we have to draw factor 3. We have to identify the terms. Now here in the first one, a question is given what? A question is given x minus 3. X minus 3. So how many terms is there? There are 2 terms. So x itself is 1 term and the another term is what? Minus 3. Okay, another term is minus 3. Now what we have to do? We have to draw factor 3. So how you will draw the factor 3? This is very simple. What you need to do is, what is the given question? Wait. What is given here? X minus 3, isn't it? So we will separate the terms now. X minus 3 is separated into how many terms? This is x here, and here it will be what? Minus 3, okay. X, and here it will be minus 3. Now only these are the factor. Now again minus 3. So what is the factor of minus 3? So minus 3 factor will be minus 3 itself, okay. So in this way you will draw the factor 3. So this is the answer for the first question, okay. This is the answer for the first question, A. Now the second question is given what? 1 plus x square, isn't it? So what is the question number B? Question number B is given what? Question number B is given 1 plus x square, isn't it? So we have to draw the factor 3 of 1 plus x square. So we have to draw the factor 3. So how you will draw? In this way, okay. So this is divided into how many terms? 3 terms. So first one is what? 1, and second one is what? X, and third one is what? X square, isn't it? X square. Now there is no any other factor for 1, isn't it? And no any other factor for x also, but x square we can write what? X square we can write x and x, okay. X square we have to write x and x. So this is called 3 diagram for factor, okay. This is the 3 diagram for the factor. Now I will solve one more question. Okay, now let me solve question number E, okay. Question number E I will solve. C and D is your homework, okay. Question number C and D will be what? Homework, okay. This 2 question is your homework. Now question number E I will solve. Now what is the question given here in the E? It is given minus AE plus 2B square. Okay, wait. Question is given what? Minus AB plus 2B square minus 3A square. Now we have to draw the factor 3 for this figure, isn't it? So first you will divide this into how many parts, because here how many terms is there? There are 3 terms, isn't it? So first term is what? First term is here minus AB. Okay, second term is what? If it is plus, then no need of writing the plus sign. Okay, 2B square. And what is the third? Third term is minus 3A square. Okay, minus 3A square. Now again we have to write a factor of minus AB. So minus AB factor will be what? Minus A and B. Okay, now for factor of 2B square. Now 2B square factor will be 2 and B square, isn't it? 2 and B square. Now again the factor of B square we can write what? B into B. Okay, now for the next one, what is the factor here? Minus 3 and A square. Okay, now again A square can be written as A into A. Okay, hope you have understood. In this way you have to draw the factor 3. Okay, you have to draw the diagram in this way. Hope you have understood. So minus sign. Okay, here only you have to see is this minus will also be there. Okay, if it is positive, no need of writing, but if it is minus in the term, then you have to use the negative sign also. Okay, minus also, and you have to factor minus 3 and A square. A square is again what? A into A. Okay, hope you have understood. So this is very simple. Now come to the next question. Question number 3. Sorry, not question number 3. So this is the question number 2 of part 2, isn't it? So identify terms and factors. So in the first one, what we did by using 3 diagram, isn't it? We identify the terms and their factor by using what? 3 diagram. But here we will not use 3 diagram. We will identify term factor in the given expression given below, isn't it? So first one is given minus 4x plus 5, isn't it? What is given here? Minus 4x plus 5. Now what are the terms? TERMS. Terms will be what? Terms will be minus 4x and 5, isn't it? Terms will be minus 4x and 5. Now what will be the factor? Now factor will be equal to, how you will write? FACTOR. Factor will be equal to what? Factor will be equal to minus 4 comma x comma 5. Okay, these are the factor. Now we will tabulate this in a table form, okay, which will be easy for writing. So how you will draw the table? Here question number A is given what? Means we will write this in a tabulate form. Okay, we will make one table, so which will be easy. So what is the first given expression? Was minus 4x plus 5, isn't it? Minus 4x plus 5. Now we have to write the terms. Now what are the terms? We have 2 terms, minus 4x comma 5. Okay, what are the terms? Minus 4x comma 5. Now again we have to write all the coefficients. Okay, we have to write all the coefficients. Now what are the coefficients here? Minus what? Minus 4 comma x comma 5. Okay, these are the coefficients of the given. Sorry, there was a typing mistake here. You have to write factor. Okay, what you will write here? Factor, because we have to find factor, not coefficients. Okay, here you please write factor. FACTOR. Okay, factor you write inside this column. Okay, inside this column instead of coefficients. Okay, because in the question it is written what? Expression, terms and factors. So this is the expression. Now second expression, question number B, means second row is B, isn't it? So that is given what? Minus 4x plus 5y, isn't it? Minus 4x plus 5y. Now you have to write the terms. So how many terms we have? 2 terms. What are they? Minus 4x and 5y. These are the 2 terms. Okay, minus 4x and 5y. Now again we have to write the factors. So factor of minus 4x will be what? Minus 4 and x, isn't it? These are the factor. And for the another terms, what are the factor? 5 and y. Okay, for the another it is 5 and y. So basically what are the factor here? Minus 4 comma x and 5 comma y. Okay, these are the factor. Now one more I will show you. Now c. So c expression is given what? 5y plus 3 x square, isn't it? 5y plus 3x square. So for this what are the terms here? Terms are 5y and the another term is 3y square, isn't it? Now we have to write the factor. So factor of the first term is what? 5 and y, and factor of the second term is 3 and y comma y. Okay, y square means what? Y comma y. In this way we have to write their factor. Okay, these are called factor and also terms. Now the remaining question. So I will show you the remaining question. What are they? D, E, F, G, H, isn't it? I will show you the question. So the remaining question D, E, F, G, H, isn't it? This all question will be your homework. Okay, just which I have drawn. First you will draw the table, and just below there you will insert all this homework question also. Okay, any doubt you can ask me. So what we have to do here is we have to write their terms. Okay, we have to write their terms and the factor. Now come to next question. Question number 3. Identify the numerical coefficients. Numerical means number. Okay, if there are 1 2 3 4 like that. Okay, number. Numerical coefficients of term other than constant. Okay, means not constant. Excluding the constant, you will find the numerical coefficients in the following. Now a is given, isn't it? Following question. A is question number 1. 5 minus x 2 x t square, isn't it? So, sorry, what is given? 5 minus 3t square, isn't it? What is given? 5 minus 3t square. And second one is given 1 plus t square plus t cube, and so on. Okay, these questions are given. Now what we have to find? We have to identify the numerical coefficients. Numerical coefficients means number. Okay, first we will identify the terms and where there is a constant, and here it is other than constant. Now here in 5 minus 3t square. Now which is the constant here? 5 is constant, so you will not see the 5. Okay, you will not see the 5 because 5 is also numerical, but you will not see the constant. You will see the coefficients, numerical coefficients only of the terms which is having variable. Okay, which is having variable. That means for which term? We have to see for minus 3t square. So for minus 3t square, what will be the numerical coefficient? Numerical coefficient will be minus 3. Okay, I will show you. I will formulate this in the table. So first you will make a table like this: row, then expression, terms and coefficients. We have to write the numerical coefficients, isn't it? Coefficient itself means and the numerical. Okay, coefficient itself means the numerical. Now 5 minus 3t square. 5 minus 3t square. Now and in the question itself it is said excluding the constant, isn't it? Other than the constant it is written, so you will not see the constant part. So leaving this constant, what is the term here? Minus 3x square. Okay, you have to see the negative or positive sign also. Here it is negative, so we have to give negative. Minus 3t square. Now what is the numerical here? Numerical we can see is 3, isn't it? But it is in negative, so we have to write what? Minus 3. If you will write only 3, then that will be what? Definitely that will be wrong, because here it is negative is there. That means that numerical value will also be in negative. Okay, that numerical value will also be in negative. So minus 3. Now the another question is given what was the next term for the next question? So second expression is given what? 1 plus t square plus t to the power 3, isn't it? So this is the expression and we have to write the terms. So how many terms are there? There are 1 2 3 4 terms, isn't it? So first term is what? 1, isn't it? Then second will be what? T, then t square, then t to the power 3, isn't it? These are the terms. Now again we have to write the coefficients. Okay, coefficients. Now 1 is constant, so you will not write the coefficient for 1. Okay, because 1 is constant, we have to write the coefficients only for the variable. Now t, so only t is there. That means what will be the coefficient? Coefficient will be what? 1. Okay, the coefficient of t will be 1. Then again t square. So what will be the coefficient of t square? T square will be what? Also 1, because 1 is multiplying with t. Okay, 1 is multiplying with t. Only t means there 1 is also multiply with it. Now again t to the power 3. So for this also, what will be the numerical coefficient? Numerical coefficient means what? Okay, 1. So nothing is there means we have to imagine 1 is there. So this is the coefficients for this second expression. Okay, now come to the third question. So 3 expression is given, x plus 2xy plus 3y, isn't it? Now which are the terms here? So terms are x, then 2xy, then 3y. These are the terms. Now coefficients of the terms. Now what is the coefficients of x? X coefficient is 1. Okay, if there is no number means 1 is the coefficients of that variable. Now for the second terms, 2xy. So what is the coefficients of 2xy? Coefficients will be 2. Now for 3y, which will be the coefficients of 3y? The coefficients of 3y is 3. Okay, so this is the answer for question number 3. Now remaining question is your homework. Okay, the remaining question I will show you which are the remaining. So question number 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. Okay, these are your homework. Just in the table you just add all this. Okay, so for this what you have to write? 100 m plus 1000 n, isn't it? So what will be the coefficient? Coefficient of m will be what? 100 and coefficients of n will be 1000. So in this way you will tabulate them separately. So hope you have understood. So in this video I will cover till this question, and in the next video I will come with the next question of this exercise. Any doubt you can ask me, you can comment below in the comment section. So thank you all of you for watching my video, and see you soon in the next video.